Hello and welcome. So this is the demo of live chat for Messenger on Keyboard Push. And in our previous video, when we were showing demo of chatbot on Messenger for post sales, we were able to see how a customer can see the status of order, and we also initiated a return request. And now, according to the chatbot policy, so once a customer asks for the return of an order, so at that moment we will send a notification, a message to the admin or store owner on the Keep Push live chat, so he can see that a customer is wanting to return any order. So now an agent can talk to the customer and try to understand his requirement. So on this particular dashboard, you can see I can see the request for the return of order from a customer. So you can see order number is here as well. So now the agent can start the chat with the customer like, hello, hi, this is agent A. I want to discuss with you regarding your order. Okay, so now this message has been sent to the customer on the messenger. So let me reply from the customer side as well. My order has issues and it is not correct item. Okay, so from here you can see customer was able to reply and say that my order has issues and it is not the correct item. So in the live chat we have many options that we can do. So for example, if agent wants, he can upload an attachment to the customer to show him something in picture or in video. So we have a couple of options as well here. So for example, if I just take a screenshot and send it to a customer, I can send, and once I send it, it will be sent to the customer on the messenger. And similarly, customer can send us images that we can receive on the Keep Push live chat from messenger. So let me send one picture for demo. So let me send the picture of our item. So customer is going to send picture of item. So now customer has sent the picture of item and he will say this is what I wanted. Okay, so we have these options to send images, so that if customer has any problem in the order, he can send images to the admin, and admin can look at these and resolve. And we also have option to send the audio recording, so any agent can record an audio and send to the customer. And we have options like stickers, gifs, and if we want to get the email address or phone number of customer, then we can also select these options. So for example, if I say ask for email address, please provide, so it is showing me option that what message will be sent to the customer. So customer will receive message like this, please provide your email address. Okay, and we have two options like allow keyboard input. So customer can either select, so a customer can either type the email address, or he will see the button like this, and he will be able to press this button and send the email to us. So if I send this now, a customer will be able to receive a message on the messenger that I want, that this particular page wants to know your email address. So if I send the email address from here, from messenger side, so now you can see I got the email address, and also I can see the email address which is saved here against this customer information. So other option that I have on live chat is the Zoom meeting. So any agent can start the Zoom meeting with the customer, and if he thinks that he will be able to understand customer's issue more in a video or audio call, then they can quickly start a Zoom meeting. So customer will be invited, and he will have option to uh, join the Zoom meeting or not. and agent will be directly sent to the Zoom meeting page. So if I select an account, so this is available for both free and paid Zoom accounts. So you can connect both of them. So I will set up a topic, and I will set the agenda like discussion. And when I click on this, what will happen is this, that the invite will go to the customer on Messenger, and I will be redirected to the Zoom link. So now admin can join the meeting from here, and customer will receive the link on the Zoom. Now other options that we have in this Kibo Push live chat UI, so we can close the chat sessions. If I click on this, what will happen is this, that this will go into closed queue, and I also have option to reopen this from here, or if the customer messages me again, then it will automatically reopen the session. So let me send a message from customer side, hello, and we'll see that the chat will reopen again. So this chat has been reopened again, and our customer is on our screen, and we can now again chat with this customer as an agent. And we have option to search, and we have options to assign agents. So for example, we have teams and a couple of agents in the company account. So if I think that this particular agent is suitable for this customer's query, then I can assign this from here, or I can assign this to particular team. So we can have teams as well, and any agent can be part of any team, or they can be part of multiple teams as well. And tags are something that we usually attach to the customers to save some information about them. So for example, if I think this particular customer has issue, so I will create a issue tag and assign that tag to this customer. So now we know that this particular customer has issue, and we can sort the customers from here with the help of tags as well. So this is the list of our subscribers, and we can see what customers we have, and we can sort the customers by tag. So I can see this particular customer to which I was talking on live chat screen has this tag assigned to him. So other thing we have in live chat is basically this search feature, that we can also search by messages. So for example, if I want to search for a message where customer said return, so it will show me where this particular message appears in this chat. So if I click on this, I can see this particular message. So it has scrolled me there, and similarly I can search the subscribers, and I can also sort these chat sessions as well. So this is it for live chat, and we'll inshallah in the next video we'll be looking at the live chat view for WhatsApp as well. So this one was for Messenger.